I am Simon Pineda, and today we're going to talk about verbs, what they are, how we use them, and some examples. Let's start. What is a verb? A verb is a word that shows an action, an event, or a state of being. It tells us what the subject in the sentence is doing, experiencing, or being. For example, action: run, jump, and eat. Event: happen and occur. State of being: am, is, and are. Now let's move on to examples of verbs. Action verbs: words that show physical or mental actions. Examples: play, write, think, and study. Linking verbs: connect the subject to more information about it. Examples: is, are, was, and were. Helping verbs: work with the main verb to show tense or possibility. Examples: will, have, can, and should. So how do we use verbs? Verbs tells us what's happening in the sentence. Without verbs, a sentence wouldn't be complete because we wouldn't know the action or state. Example: instead of saying Maria pizza, we add the verb Maria eats pizza. Here are the example sentences. Action verb: the boy runs to school. What is the action in the sentence? The answer is runs. Linking verb: they are happy. What is the verb in the sentence? Answer is are. I will visit my cousin tomorrow. What is the helping verb? Answer is will. That's our quick lesson on verbs. We learned what verbs are, their types, how to use them, and saw examples in sentences. Thank you for listening.